In today's digital age, the potential of artificial intelligence extends beyond mere innovation. It offers real opportunities for generating additional income. As we delve into this exciting realm, we reveal 5 smart ways to harness AI technologies for financial growth and independence. It's time to explore how these strategies can be your golden ticket to new income streams. The first strategy involves the power of automation. With AI tools, business owners can significantly slash their workload. Imagine software seamlessly handling mundane tasks, freeing up time for you to focus on scaling your business and boosting your profits. Picture yourself watching your company thrive as you dedicate more energy to creative pursuits rather than administrative duties. Embracing automation means not just saving time, but elevating your income potential in ways you never thought possible. Next up is the development of AI-powered applications. For those with coding skills, this avenue shines bright. Building apps that leverage AI technologies can open doors to passive income, allowing you to generate revenue even while you sleep. Visualize creating an innovative app that fills a niche market, drawing in users eager for solutions. The satisfaction of seeing your creation launch and succeed is a reward in itself, compounded by the financial benefits it brings. The third method harnesses AI trading bots. These digital platforms analyze vast amounts of market data at lightning speeds, providing insights that are impossible for humans to replicate. Envision a world where you're profiting from smart trading around the clock with minimal effort. Automated trading strategies can work tirelessly, generating profits while you enjoy life, turning your investment ambitions into reality. Next, consider offering AI consulting services. In a world where many businesses struggle to integrate AI effectively, your expertise can pave the way for their success. Imagine leading organizations through the complexities of AI implementation, helping them become more efficient and innovative. Your guidance can empower companies to harness AI's potential while also positioning you as a leader in this growing field. Finally, embrace the trend of AI-generated content. Tools are now available to help you create everything from engaging blog posts to intricate video presentations. Visualize effortlessly producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience, allowing you to scale your digital presence and monetize it effectively. The boundaries of creativity expand as AI tools facilitate your content creation journey. As you consider these strategies, reflect on which one resonates with you the most. Each method holds the key to not only unlocking additional income, but also enhancing your professional journey in a world driven by AI innovations. So, which avenue will you pursue first? Dive in, explore, and watch your financial horizons expand.